Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best beach chairs on Amazon. From camping to sporting events such as soccer and beach volleyball, the best beach chairs offer multiple features such as rust-resistant coatings, auto-reclining designs, or supportive headrests for people who enjoy spending quality time outdoors. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Sportbrella 3-Position Recliner Removable Umbrella. Large 2 pockets on the back as well as under the armrests, 5 reclining positions, durability while being lightweight, and 16 unique color options make Tommy Bahama Backpack Cooler Beach Chair a clear winner in our list of the best beach chairs. Tommy Bahama is available in 16 unique color schemes. The chair itself is constructed from a rust-proof aluminum frame. This increases the weight limit up to 300 pounds. It also features 600 denier polyester fabric, which is exceptionally strong, durable, and easy to clean. You can also make it completely flat for naps on the beach. It can fold into a compact form that even has shoulder straps, making it super easy to get from your car to the beach, even with your hands full. What we like about it: has a built-in adjustable pillow. Ability to recline in 5 positions. You can use it completely flat position. Has shoulder straps to transport easily. Durable 600 denier polyester fabric. The insulated pocket keeps snacks and drinks cold. Has a pocket under the armrest for a phone or a wallet. Available in 16 unique colors. Number 2. Quick Shade Folding Quad Camp. Perfectly combining an unbeatable price with all the quality you are looking for in a summer beach chair, Quick Shade Folding Quad Camp Beach Chair is the most lightweight beach chair on our list. Quick Shade is made from a high-quality 300D polyester water and stain-resistant fabric. You can bring this with you without worrying about it getting damaged or stained. The fabric is also easy to clean. Simply hose it down and let it dry in the sun when you get home, and it's ready for your next trip. What we like about it: one of the most lightweight chairs on the market. Extremely easy to set up and fold down. Comes with a shoulder carrying bag. Made from 300D polyester water and stain-resistant fabric. Made out of steel. A pocket in the armrest for your items. Blue, green, and red colors. Number 3. Rio Brand's Weariver High Back Deluxe Steel. The convenience of carrying it on your back and 240-pound weight capacity make Rio Brand's Weariver High Back Deluxe Steel Backpacker Beach Chair a clear favorite of many beach lovers. A cup holder built-in means you will never need to dig your drink out from the sand again. Not just for the beach, this chair is portable and sturdy enough to be great for camping and sporting events. It is available in lime green and navy blue. What we like about it: comes with padded shoulder straps. Has a 240-pound weight capacity. A built-in cup holder. Available in lime green and navy blue. Portable and sturdy enough for camping. Has high-quality solid hardwood arms. Has 4 different comfort positions. Number 4. KingCamp Folding Arm. With a beautiful shade of gray ensuring you stand out from the typical beach crowd, KingCamp Folding Arm Beach Chair could be the most stylish-looking beach chair on our list. The seat is made out of a durable nylon and canvas material that has been designed to be weather-resistant. Strong plastic parts make KingCamp firmer, and it suits soft and hard ground. The specially made lightweight steel frame that ensures maximum strength while maintaining a lightweight feel ensures the beach chair can hold up to 300 pounds. What we like about it: sleek design that stands out. Has a reclining back design. Easy to use and store carry bag. Durable nylon and water-resistant canvas material. Lightweight steel frame. Has a mesh cup holder. Offers a lifetime warranty. Number 5. Amazon Basics Zero Gravity. This beach chair is the best lounge beach chair on the market, featuring a traditional summer chair Z design that will make you feel like you are essentially floating in space. If you have never tried a zero-gravity chair, you are missing out. Instead of having a frame that creates a traditional seat, this zero-gravity chair uses elastic-like material to connect the stretchy fabric to the frame. What we like about it: a traditional summer chair Z design. weather-resistant textiline fabric. Padded headrests and armrests for extra comfort. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.